Every single ad you're looking at right now came from one prompt, and if you're stuck paying an agency a fortune or making them yourself one by one, I'm going to show you how to create 100 meta ad variations with a single prompt. But I'll be honest, we're not going to build all 100 on camera, because watching that would not be fun. Instead, we're going to create a system that makes 100 possible. This way, we can run it once and let it do all the work from there. We'll be doing the whole thing inside Higgsfield supercomputer. It's got Claude built right in, plus a whole marketplace of skills we can install in just one click. You could also run this in regular Claude, but I like keeping the whole operation under one roof. And trust me, what we're about to do with it is wild, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn one product into a full set of meta ads in every format Meta actually rewards. We'll even build our own custom tool that writes ads in any brand's exact voice. But don't worry, I'll leave this whole setup in the description along with every prompt so that you can build it yourself too. So let's get into it. But before we can put Claude to work, we need to give it the right tools. And this takes about 30 seconds. Inside Supercomputer, we'll head to the marketplace, where everything lives. We need to look for skills, which are basically little abilities we can hand Claude in one click. So let's grab the Ad Creative skill and hit install. This one's built specifically for generating ad concepts and copy. So instead of Claude guessing its way through, it's working from a real ad writing playbook for every prompt. Plus, if you've already got skills or memory saved in your regular Claude, those can be imported too, so nothing gets left behind. Now, let's give it something to actually work with. For step one, we'll start by feeding it just two things. Our product, which is this pair of premium running sunglasses we're launching, and just one prompt, a short brief, telling Claude who we're selling to. This prompt will be the anchor for this entire workflow, but let's watch and see what Claude does with it. It studies the product, reads the brand, and starts building out the ads completely on its own. And just look at how much came back from that one prompt. It didn't give us the same ad written 10 different ways. It gave us genuinely different angles. There's one built purely on the product truth, highlighting that these glasses don't move when you run. There's also a premium angle for the buyer who wants luxury that actually performs. There's even a comparison angle, taking shots at the cheaper glasses that slide off your face mid-run. And every single one of these concepts comes with its own hooks, its own copy, and the exact Higgsfield format we should build it in. So Claude isn't just writing, it's handing us a full battle plan. But here's the thing, it's not going to nail every single line on the first try, and we shouldn't expect it to. Take this last concept down here. The writing's solid, but the hook is leaning on fake social proof, numbers from customers we don't actually have yet. So we'll just talk to it, like we would a real copywriter. We'll tell it the hook's leaning on reviews we don't have, and ask it to rewrite it honestly. And in seconds, it fixes the angle completely. Instead of claiming reviews we don't have, the ad now dares the customer to test the glasses themselves. It's still the same concept, but it's more truthful and actually hits harder. Now, the marketplace skill we installed did a great job here, but I promised you that we'd also build our own tool. So let me show you how easy that actually is. As I mentioned earlier, the skill is really just a set of instructions saved in a file. With that in mind, we'll describe the skill we want and ask Claude to write those instructions for us. We basically want one that takes any product and writes a full set of ads in that brand's voice. We'll call it our brand voice tool. After that, we'll head to create, then choose skill and upload the file Claude gave us. And just like that, our own custom tool is live inside Supercomputer. But here's what makes ours different. Before it writes a single ad, it stops and studies the brand's voice first, the tone, the phrasing, and the lines that would feel off-brand. This ensures that every line sounds like it came from that brand specifically, instead of generic ad copy that could be selling anything. Once we've built a tool like this, we can reuse it on any product we ever launch. So now we've got all these concepts, but in step 2, we'll turn them into real static ads. Let's start by asking Claude to take concept 1 and build it as a studio shot. Without us picking a single setting, it pulls in a product photographer to handle it. And this is the interesting part, because Supercomputer doesn't just have skills, it also has employees, which are AI team members from the marketplace. Each of them specializes in one job, and this is exactly where the product photographer employee thrives. It takes our sunglasses and shoots them like a premium product, using dramatic lighting and a clean background. What comes back are 3 images that look like they came out of an actual photo studio. But what if we want something that feels less polished and more real? Well, we can just ask for a lifestyle version instead. The results are the same sunglasses, now being worn by an athlete after their morning run. But here's where it gets really useful. powerful because Claude doesn't stop at product shots. We can also ask it to lay out a finished ad with a headline already written on it. And getting text to actually render properly is the part that usually breaks every other AI tool. But look at these. It pulled the headlines straight from our original concepts and built the whole layout around them. So instead of getting photos that we still have to take into Photoshop, we get ads that we could run today. But if you've spent any time on Meta lately, you'll know that videos are what actually stop people mid-scroll. So for step 3, we'll turn those same concepts into video ads. And just like before, we'll start inside our chat with Claude. We'll ask for a UGC ad, the kind where a real person talks directly to camera about the product. Now watch how it handles this. First, it calls on the right employee for the job, the UGC creator. And it doesn't just spit out a video, it actually asks us a couple of questions first, like how long we want it and the type of character that should be in it. Then it builds the whole thing, a creator, a script, and the footage, all from that one request.
I've run in every pair of sport glasses you can think of. Every single one slid down my nose by mile 3. These Kestra Aeros have rubber grips on the bridge and arms, so they just lock in. I did hill repeats this morning and never touched them once. Honestly, the first running pair I actually forget I have on.
And the result feels real. She's holding our exact sunglasses in a natural setting and saying the kind of thing an actual customer would say. But this is just one video style we could use to promote our product. So we'll jump into Marketing Studio, and this is where we can spin up completely different video formats on demand. First, let's try an unboxing format.
Okay, this is the Kestra Aero matte saran wraparounder.
It delivers someone unboxing our sunglasses for the first time, premium packaging and all. Next, let's go for a product review.
Somebody told me these don't move. I ran 6 miles in these, full sprint at the end. They didn't shift once, not even close. The rubber on the nose and temples, that's what actually holds them. It's not marketing. You feel it the second you put them on. Kestra Aero. If your glasses bounce, just switch.
What we get here is a guy in full review mode talking about our product like he's used it for weeks. Now, I'll be honest with you here, he's speaking a little too fast. This is most likely because we kept the duration of the video short, which forces the model to slightly rush his delivery. So if you do try this, give your videos a bit more breathing room. Little things like that are what separate a good ad from a great one. But let's try one more, a virtual try-on. This is the hardest thing for any AI to pull off because it needs to put a product onto a moving person without it falling apart.
Testing the Kestra Aero. One hand on the phone, one hand on the glasses. Smoke mirror wrapper rubber grips. I can sprint, no bounce, no slide. If yours move, try Kestra Aero.
But the Marketing Studio gets it spot on. She pulls them from her pocket and slides them on while she keeps filming. So in this one step, we've made 4 completely different video styles, all from the same product we started with. But here's what makes this whole thing even better. This entire time, we've been the ones guiding this whole process. And you might have noticed something. Every time we needed a job done, the right specialist just appeared. A product photographer for our studio shots, a UGC creator for one of our videos. And that's because they're all part of a whole roster of employees waiting in the marketplace. So for everything we just did manually, there's a specialist in here that'll handle it for you instead. That's the part that makes this feel less like a tool and more like an actual team. But let's take a step back and look at everything we just did. We started with one product and a single prompt, and we walked out with a full set of meta ads, static shots, lifestyle photos, finished banners, and 4 different styles of video. This gave us the kind of variety that used to take an entire agency and a serious budget. But think about what that actually unlocks. You see, Meta's algorithm rewards you for feeding it lots of different ads to test. So being able to spin up this much range this fast is a genuine advantage, and the entire thing runs inside Higgsfield supercomputer. The link's in the description if you want to try it for yourself. So now you know how to build 100 ad variations from a single prompt. But paid ads are only one piece of the content puzzle, because the same machine that just built these can run your entire content feed as well. That's why I took this idea and turned it into a system that can automate 90% of your social media content, powered by the same 2 tools we use today. Click the video on screen right now, and I'll show you exactly how it works.